Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter add and subtract decimals. And the lessons we're going to cover today are choose decimals with a particular sum or difference, complete the addition or subtraction sentences, inequalities with decimal addition and subtraction, and estimate sums and differences of decimals. So let's just start with the first lesson. Here I'm on grade 5 maths. The chapter is add and subtract decimals. Let's just start with the lesson choose decimals with a particular sum or difference. Okay, so you have to choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. You have to choose two numbers that have the sum of 5.5. Got it? So start with two numbers. Let's start with 0.8. Got it? 0.8. You have to check with every number like 0.8 and 1.1. So when you add 0.8 and 1.1, it would be 1.9. Got it? We have to find the one that has a sum 5.5. Let's just check for 0.8 and 4.7. So when you add them, it makes 5.5. So basically you have to select two numbers whose sum equals 5.5. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete subtraction sentence. So you have to complete the subtraction sentence. You have to select two numbers whose difference is 5.3. Got it? You can check from the options. Let's just check with this first option. 5.7 minus 0.4. 5.7 minus 0.4. So 7 take away 4 is 3 and 5 take away 0 is 5. So the correct option is option number 1. You can see you have to find two numbers whose difference is 5.3 and here you have 5.7 and take away 4.3 equals 5.3. Got it? So the correct option is option number 1. Got it? Okay, the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. So now you have to select two numbers whose difference is 0.2. Got it? You can simply check the options. Let's just check for the first one. Got it? 0.3 take away 0.1. Got it? So 3 take away 1 is 2 and 0.0 take away 0 is 0. Got it? So we have to find the two numbers whose difference is 0.2. That means the numbers are 0.3 and 0.1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to find two numbers whose sum equals 6.0. That means when you add two numbers, the sum must be 6. Let's just check with options. Option 1 is 5.3 and 0.8. Let me just add them. 5.3 and 0.8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 and 1 carry 5.1. 5 and 1 is 6. This isn't the correct option. You have to find the one whose sum is 6. 6.0. The next one is 5.3 and 0.7. Let me just add. So 7 plus 3 is 10, 0 and 1 carry and 5 and 1 is 6. Got it? That means the correct option is 5.3 and 0.7. Got it? The second one is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete this addition sentence. You have to find two numbers whose sum equals 7.9. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? The correct option is the first one, 2.5 and 5.4. When you add them together, they make 7.9. The correct option is option number 1. The next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. You have to select two numbers whose difference is 5.2. Let's just look at the option 1, 5.4 and 5.4 take away 0.3. 5.4 take away 0.3. So 4 take away 3 is 1 and 5 take away 0 is 5. This isn't the correct option. You have to select the one whose difference is 5.2. Let's just look at the second one, 5.4 take away 0.2. So 4 take away 2 is 2 and 5 take away 0 is 5. So that means the correct option is option number 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is choose two numbers whose sum is choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a sum of 5.5. So you have to select two numbers whose correct option is 5, whose sum is 5.5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. 0.8 and 4.7. When you add them, they makes 5.5. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. Okay, the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a sum of 7.5. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or 2? Option 1 is 4.9 and 3.3. So no, the second one is the correct option. 4.9 and the second one is, let me check the second one. 6 point, yes. 6.3 and 1.2. When you add them, it makes 7.5. Got it? That means the second option is the correct one. The next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. Dash and dash equal dash. You have to difference of two numbers is 0.2. So which is the correct option? It would be the second one. 0.8 take away 0.6 is 0.2. So the second option is the correct one. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a sum of 0.9. So which is the correct option? Which two numbers have the sum 0.9? The correct option is option number 1. 0.8 plus 0.1 makes 0.9. Okay, choose the two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. Which two numbers have the difference 4.5? So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next one. And the next one is complete the addition or subtraction sentences. You have to find the, here you are given either the sum of the numbers, one number and the sum, you have to find the other number. So you are given 0.4 plus the missing number equals 0.6. You have to find the other number. So how do we find? You have to subtract the given number out of the sum. You have to subtract 0.4 out of 0.6. That means the other number is 0.2. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, find the missing number. You are given one of the number and the sum. You have to find the other number. So how do we find? You have to subtract the given number out of the sum. You need to do 0.2 take away 0.1. Got it? So 0.2 take away 0.1 equals 0.1. That means the missing number is 0.1. Got it? When you add them, it makes 0.1 and 0.1 makes 0.2. 0.1. Okay, find the missing number. You are given one of the number and the sum. So how do we find the second number? You have to subtract the given number out of the sum. You have to do 1.2 take away 0.8. You have to do 1.2 subtract 0.8. Got it? You cannot subtract 2 out of 8, so you have to borrow 1. It would be 12. And 12 take away 8 is 0.4. Got it? That means the other number is 0.8. 0.4. If you add 0.4 and 0.8, they make, you can see if you add them, they make 1.2. Got it? So the correct option is 0.4. Okay, find the missing number. So how now you are given one number and the difference of both the numbers. Got it? So how do we find the other number? You have to, you are given the smaller number. Got it? You can see we always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. That means the missing number is greater than the other number. Got it? So if the greater number is missing, you have to add the difference and the given number. You have to add 0.3, 0.3. That means the number would be 0.6. Got it? Okay, find the missing number. Okay, now you are given the greater number. 8.2 is given. You have to find smaller number. When the case you are given the greater number, you have to find the smaller one. You have to subtract the difference out of the given number. Got it? You will get the other number. But the one we did earlier, in the case you are, the smaller number is missing. In the case when the smaller number is missing, you have to add the difference and the given number. And for this one, when you are given the greater number, you have to find the smaller one. You have to subtract the greater number and the difference. You have to 8.2 take away 1.5 and you can find the other number. Got it? 7, 12 take away 5 is 7 and 7 take away 1 is 6. That means the other number is 6.7. So the correct option is 6.7. Got it? For subtraction is a bit, it is a bit different. Got it? Okay. So which is the correct option? The missing number is, The missing number is 0.9. Got it? When you add 0.9 and 0.2, how do you find? You have to subtract the given number out of the sum. You can do 1.1 minus 0.2. Got it? You cannot subtract 1 out of 2, so you have to borrow 11 minus 2 is 9. That means the other number is 0.9. Got it? Correct option is 0.9. Okay, fill in the missing number. So which is the correct option? Which is the other number? The other number is 0.9. Got it? 0.9 plus 0.9 is 1.8. Okay, fill in the missing number. So which is the correct option? Now the greater number is missing. Got it? When the greater number is missing, you can add the given number and the difference. So 0.2 plus 0.3 makes 0.5. That means the missing number is 0.5. Fill in the missing number. So which number is missing? Now the smaller number is missing. Got it? So to find the smaller number, you have to subtract the difference out of the given number. Got it? So the correct option is you have to do 6.2 subtract 2.5. 6.2 subtract 2.5. So you have to borrow 1. It would be 12. Take away 5 is 7 and 5 take away 2. That means the other number is 3.7. Got it? Okay, find the missing number. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 0.3. Got it? 0.3 plus 0.5 makes 0.8. So it would be 0.3. Okay, fill in the missing number. So which is the correct option? 0.7. Take away which number equals 0? The correct option is 0.7. Take away 0.7 is 0. Got it? So it would be 0.7. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. And next lesson is inequalities with decimal addition and subtraction. Okay, so you have to solve and then you have to see which inequality you can put there. Got it? So just look at this one. 1.2 take away 0.4, that is 0.8. Got it? You have to compare these numbers. So 0.8 is greater than 0.4. So you have to put the greater one sign here. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. So 0.6 take away 0.1. So 0.6 take away 0.1 is, that would be 0.5. You have to now compare 0.5 and 0.4. So which is the correct option? It would be 0.5. 0.5 is greater than 0.4. Got it? So the correct option is option number 1. Okay, the next one is which sign makes the statement true? Let's just solve the other side. Just add 0.9 and 5.5. So it would be Mm, 9 and 5, it would be 6.4. Now you have to compare 8.1 and 6.4. So which is the correct option? 8.1 is greater than 6.4. Got it? Correct option is greater. 8.1 is greater than 6.4. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? You have 0.2, just solve the other side. So 0.7 take away 0.1 is 0.6. So 0.2 is greater than 0.6 or less than 0.6? 0.2 is less than 0.6. Got it? So the correct option is less. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 0.3, and you have to compare it to 0.2, take away 0.1. So just subtract 0.2, take away 0.1 is 0.1. Now you have to compare. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 0.3 is greater than 0.1. It would be greater. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? So which is the correct option? 5.1 plus 0.5 is, sorry, it would 5.1 plus 0.5 is 5.6. So which is the correct option? 5.3 is less than 5.6. Got it? So the correct option is less than. Okay, the next one is 0.7 and you have to compare it to 1.4, take away 0.3. So which is the correct option? Let's just subtract 1.4, take away 0.3 is 1.1. So which is the correct option? 0.7 is less than 1.1. Got it? Okay, the next one is 6.9, take away 0.3. So which is the correct option? 6.9 minus 0.3 is 6.6. Got it? So 6.6 is equal to 6.6. They both are exactly equal. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 0.6 and 0.7 take away 0.1. So which is the correct option? They are exactly equal because 0.7 take away 0.1 is 0.6. Okay, so which is the correct option? 5.4 take away 5.0 is 0.4. Got it? That means 0.1 is less than 0.4. Okay, so which is the correct option? 6.6 plus 0.6 is 7.2. That means 7.2 is greater than 5.7. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is estimate sums and differences of decimals. You just have to estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest whole number and then subtract. So first you have to round off the numbers to the nearest whole number and then you have to subtract. Like the first number is 7.834 and 5.56. So just look at the very first digit after the decimal point, that is 8 for this one. Got it? And 8 is greater than 5. That means you have to round up, you have to round it to 8. Same is the case for this one. Just look at the first number, that is 5, and 5 is equal to 5. That means you have to round up, it would be rounded to 6. So 8 take away 6 is 2. That means the estimated difference is 2. Got it? Let's just start with the practice question. Okay, you have to add 5.1 plus 5.1. So first you have to round off both the numbers and then you have to add. You have 5.1 and 5.1. Just look at the very first number, 1. 1 is less than 5. That means you have to round to 5. So 5 plus 5 makes 10. The estimated answer is 10. Got it? Okay, estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest whole number and then adding 4.446 and 3.397. Just look at the very first digit after the decimal for both numbers. For one of them it is 4 and the second one is 3. They both are less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round on the same whole number, 4 and 3. Got it? And so 4 plus 3 makes 7. So the correct option is 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is estimate the sum by rounding each number, 6.02 and 9.69. Okay, let's just do it on both. 6.02 and 9.69. So here you have 0, that is less than 5. You have to round on the same whole number. Here you have 6, that means it is greater than 5. You have to round up, it would be rounded to 10. So it would be 10 plus 6 is 16. So the correct option is 16. Got it? Okay, the next one is 9.4 take away 4.8. So 9.4 is rounded off to 9 and 4.8 is rounded to 5. So 9 minus 5 is 9 take away 5 is 4. The correct option is 4. 8.727 and 3.376, I think. Okay, so here you have 7 greater than 5. You have to round up. Here you have 3 less than 5. You have to round on the same number. So it will be 9 plus 3 is 12. So the correct option is 12. Got it? Okay, 6.8 take away 2.1. So which is the correct option? 6.8 take away 2.1. Here you have 8 greater than 5. You have to round on the 7. 2.1, 1 is less than 5. So you have to round on the same whole number. So it would be 7 take away 2 is 5. So the correct option is 5. Got it? So the correct option is 6.8 take away 2.1. So which is the correct option? 6.8 is rounded off to 7 and 2.1 is rounded off to 2. So 7 minus 2 is, so the correct option is 5. Got it? 7 take away 2 is 5. Estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest whole number and then subtracting. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 6.7 is rounded off to 7 and 1.6 is rounded off to 2. So it would be 7 take away 2 is 5. The correct option is 5. 10.66 take away. So which is the correct option? 10.6 is rounded off to 11 and 2.16 rounded off to 2. So 11 take away 2 is 9. The correct option is 9. Okay, 7.3 take away 3.031. It would be 7 plus 3 is, the correct option is 10. Okay, the next one is you have to add 3 numbers. Estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest whole number and then adding. Okay, let's just see. 2.19. You have 1 right after decimal point, so it would be rounded off to 2. 10.9. You have 9 greater than 5, it would be rounded off to 11. And you have 6.4 that is less than 5, so it would be rounded off to 6. So it would be 19. The sum of the numbers is 19. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 5 maths. And we're working on the chapter add and subtract decimals. The lessons we have covered today are choose decimals with a particular sum or difference, complete the addition or subtraction sentences, inequalities with decimal addition and subtraction, and estimate sums and differences of decimals. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.